we're going to unbox a Kokoo kennel dog. It's a slimy, squeeze for a cuckoo sound. It's a sleep for a Kokoo kennel. Love my pup, Kokoo kennel, it's a Kokoo kennel. Tag along puppy. What's for more? Collectibles and toys. Correct for entire kennel. Not staple for children. Under 36 small parts. And it's made by Sad Play. And I have to open this. To rip this box.
Do you tell everybody where you got it at?
And we got it at Toys R Us for 98 cents. I don't know how much its regular price is at all because it was on clearance. And
I think they're like $2.99 regular
I
price.
think like $2.99 regular price, and it's a little dog.
A little dog, and it makes sounds. Listen.
It's made by Sad Play, where it's all about for kids.
Anything else you want to say?
Bye.